This next section looks at two skills that we're going to be working on: geometry applications and solving formulas for a specific variable. So some frequently used geometry formulas that we're going to see are ones for the area of a rectangle and a triangle. So when we want to find the area of a rectangle, area is equal to the length times the width. Okay. To find the area of a triangle, since triangles are really rectangles cut in half, their area is going to be half of that. However, in a triangle, we usually refer to the bottom number as the base, and to the width over here, the vertical number, as the height. So our formula is going to be area equals 1/2 of the base times the height. The other formulas that you'll be responsible for knowing are the perimeter of a rectangle and a triangle. So looking at this same rectangle again, more or less, with a width and a length, to travel the whole perimeter all the way around, we would have a total of 2 lengths, here and here, plus 2 widths, here and here. Finding the perimeter of our triangle is just a matter of adding all of the sides together. So taking side 1 and side 2 and side 3 and adding them together. Now let's look at a couple of applications of these formulas. The area of a rectangular garden is 105 feet. Find the length if the width is 7 feet. So we're going to recall that the area of a rectangle is found by taking the length times the width. And in this case, they've given us the value for A. The area is 105. They've also given us that the width is 7. So we're going to substitute those two values into our formula, getting 105 is equal to L times 7. Now, because of the commutative property, we know we can rewrite this more traditionally as 105 equals 7L. Then I solve for L, dividing by 7. Well, 7 will go into 105 15 times, so the length is 15 feet. Always be sure when you're answering these problems that you do give your answer with the correct units on there. Our next application is looking at a wallpaper border at the top of the walls of a baby's rectangular room. So since a border is something that travels around the perimeter of the room, around the edges of the room, we're going to need our perimeter formula to solve this one. Perimeter, again, equals 2 lengths plus 2 widths. So let's look at one information the problem gives us. It tells us that the width is 2 feet less than the length. So we can say, since the width is equal to the length, take away 2, we can substitute that value in for our W. They also tell us the total number of feet of border that she needs. So this 52 is going to be our perimeter. So rewriting the equation with the information we now know, P is going to be substituted with the number 52. 2 times L will stay the same, but instead of saying 2 times W, we're going to say 2 times L minus 2, because L minus 2 is the width. Solving this algebraically, we get 52 equals 2L plus 2L minus 2. Combining like terms, 52 equals 4L minus 2. Adding 2 to both sides, 54 equals 4L. And then dividing both sides by 4 gives us a final answer of 14 equaling L. So this means that our length is 14 feet, since feet were our units, and the width, since the width is 2 feet less than the length, is going to be 12 feet. Going back to check this problem with our original story, we want to make sure that these two lengths plus these two widths do add up to the 52 total that we were asked to find. So this doubled is 28, this doubled is 24, and 28 plus 24 does equal 52. So our answer checks out.